between a 15-year-old or a senior citizen of 70 years old, who would you choose to give it to and why? I repeat, if there is only one dose of COVID-19 vaccine left, you have to choose who to give it to, either a 15-year-old or a 70-year-old senior citizen. Which one would you give it to and why? First contestant to answer, Miss Grand, United States of America.
Thank you very much. I would choose to give it to the 16-year-old only because I believe that children are the future. They are going to make the world a better place. They are the ones that are going to set examples for the future generation. And I believe that I will give it to the 16-year-old because I want the 16-year-old to have a better future in life. I believe that they are going to change the world. We need change for our world. Pokraw. Pokraw Tongan Santipab Glab Kunma Pualo Kong Rao Kabkum Ka.
Thank you. Grand, Philippines.
My heart goes to senior citizen because my mom is turning senior citizen and I've experienced the loss of my dad 4 years ago and I cannot afford to lose my mom. My heart goes to them because they are the most vulnerable during this time. A 15-year-old has the stamina to fight the COVID-19 pandemic, and with proper exercise and healthy living, they can live with it. I know as well that every citizen here will choose and never afford to lose their parents. And so I will